flip-flop!
Hold up. Say what?
Get me some Skittles, but I didn't want to pay for them. And then one of the store attendants came up to me and was like, put that back. And then he grabbed my arm and I said, don't touch me.
Introducing the pencil. You can write with it. You can... What else can you do with a pencil?
Shove it down your throat.
You can shove it down your... What?
I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white, I could be every color you like.
Have you done your homework? Have you marked out tests? I have other students' tests to mark, and I have other teachers' homework to do.
Why the fuck does math exist? We don't need it. Why do we need it? Like, what is a fucking Pythagorean theorem? What is it? It doesn't make sense.
Math helps us have better problem solving.
Shut the fuck up!
Hey, can I get some of that bread?
No, that's my bread.
Just like a little piece?
It's mine.
Okay.
It's my bread.
Hi, how many years old are you?
I'm 5.
Wow, what's your favorite animal?
A platypus, fucker.
Uh-oh, little girl made an oopsie. She said a naughty word. I'm sorry, but this is a children's show, you little...
I really can't stand it when people respond to my text messages with just a K. What does that mean? K stands for potassium in the periodic table of elements, and if I was to drink an entire gallon of potassium right now, I would probably die. So I guess that means you just want me to kill myself, is that right?
Hey, Dad, can we go get ice cream?
Sorry, buddy, we can't.
Okay, fine. I guess I'll just tell Mom that you're cheating on her.
Ice cream sounds great, let's go!
Water solves everything. If you're thirsty, just drink water. Trying to lose weight? Just drink water. Trying to get clearer skin? Just drink water. Have a best friend that stabbed you in the back? Drown them with water.
I was busy thinking about
Food, sleep, Chipotle.
And what's your talent, young man? I can do a high pitch like Ariana Grande. Let's hear it. All right.
Wake up, it's Saturday.
Congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation.
Wake up, it's Monday.
What?
Dang, my Wi-Fi went out. What am I gonna do now? I guess I could go outside. Oh, are those trees? Oh, look at the bird. Oh, nature. It's just so disgusting. I'm going back inside.